What's up guys, welcome back to the new video. And yeah, we are still working on the Nissan. Let's start off where we left off. Got a lot of new parts, and yeah, first thing I want to do is make the clutch work. I got the master and the slave cylinder as well, so let's change those out, put some fresh fluid in it. And yeah, I got a new fuel filter as well. I will change out the brake fluid too, and yeah, the water pump is going to come last. That part I didn't got locally, and it will take like 7 days to come, so that part with the timing will be the last one. Until that, I will make everything else work, and hopefully when that comes I can just start up the car and roll out of here. So yeah, let's get to work. Okay, firstly let's remove the slave cylinder. There's not much holding it on. I have to remove the line that's going to it and the 2 bolts there, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so that's pretty much rounded off, which is awesome. Yeah, that doesn't really budge. This one came right out. That one still doesn't budge. Yeah, came out nice. Got this one loose. Came out pretty easy, thankfully. Got the nuts taken off from here, so let's go inside and remove the pedal from it as well. Okay, got this little pin out. It just had a clip. It's you don't really have space, so I couldn't film, but yeah. Got the old one out. I just placed it in a sack so it doesn't rip all over the place. I will have to readjust this arm on the new one so it will kinda match, and yeah, I can just drop it in, and yeah, this one looks a lot better. I think I got the pin in. You can see it up there. Yeah. Ooh. It wasn't an easy job, that's for sure. Okay, got everything back here as well. Place the hose on. So now let's put some fresh fluid and bleed the system. Okay, got the clutch system bled. It works, so that's awesome. No leaks. So yeah, got the old fuel filter out. There's this old one. New filter is in, looking fresh. The hoses don't really look at all bad. I think they were changed at some point, but yeah, they look really okay. No cracks at all, so I will keep them for now. If they start leaking sometime, I will change out all of them. So yeah, but currently I will leave them in. Got a few locks out here. Yeah, not yeah, these are rusted all through. But I got one out. This one looks a little better, and I cleaned them up. So let's try to get at least one of them working. I will still have to clean the inside up, but yeah. Got the alternator back, spinning fresh as it should. Redid the 2 positive cable for the alternator, so I will get good charge. These were the old ones, but yeah, I don't trust these, so I will just use this one. Got it all wired in, hooked up the 2 positive ones, the ground and the signal wire, and so far so good. I can turn off the ignition by the key, so that's good at least. I have to put back the shielding, and yeah, we'll see once I start up the engine if I can still turn it off or not, but so far it seems to be good. Okay, got this done how it should be. Got that wire back that was like off from the diaphragm or something. It's part of the EGR system, so I don't know if it was the problem with the idle, but that's fixed now as well. So yeah. Okay, so the windshield wipers were stuck. This little like hinge that was inside there, let's like move it, and yeah, that was completely stuck. I sprayed it down with some WD-40, some oil, so it will stay lubricated, and here now it moves nice and freely. I will have to do that one as well, and it will be just as new. Okay, got that one oiled up a little as well, and now they turn smooth as butter, so that's nice. And we have window wipers again, nice. Got some new seals for the camshaft and crankshaft down there. They've been sitting for like 12 years. I don't think they will not leak, so if I'm here I will change those out. Already got the gear off. Remove this one so I can put the impact on, and yeah, just got that off. So now let's change those out. Okay, so I carefully drilled some holes and put some screws in, so now let's try to pull them out, see if it works. Came right out, nice. Got some oil already on there, so let's install it back. Maybe clean it a little bit. And now just kind of hammer it in place. It's nice and flush with the rest, so let's do that on the bottom and should be good. Got the bolt torqued down. The manual says like 85 Newton meters, so that's done. Got this one in as well. This one was a little bit easier to get out and put it back in. I think it was like hid there or something, because there's like a bigger gap, and yeah, it was used with RTV, a seal with RTV. Pretty crazy, but I don't know if I should put something there, just leave it as is and hope for the best. But yeah, I have to figure something out. Finally got the most important part. Here's the water pump, so let's throw that on, put the timing belt back, and we can start this car back up and see if everything's okay, if I can turn off by the ignition, hopefully. And yeah, got that one. It spins a little bit harder. I think the rust inside may be hitting the pedals. I don't think it's the end of the world, but it's not the best. Alright, I will leave it this as is. Hopefully it will break in. If not, I have to get a new one. But yeah, got the timing belt on, facing the right way. Got the tensioner on. Got a new one from that as well. And yeah, should be nice. Got almost everything back on. Tore down the pulley. Have to put on the accessory belts, and kinda that's it. Put the hose back and add some coolant. Got on both of the belts. They are nice and tight, how they should be. So now let's put the pipe back on, some coolant, and let's fire it up. Okay, everything should be back together. Got some coolant in it. I didn't put that cover back, but I will put that back later. And yeah, let's try to start this bad girl up. I changed some things out, some vacuum lines. So far it seems to be idling better. See if it will drop down as it warms up a little. Also, yeah, I can stop the key by the ignition, which is one of the best parts. That's really good. So yeah, other than the rust and everything else, at least I can stop the car, and the engine is pretty good, I would say. So yeah, seems to run pretty good now. So good actually. Drops to idle, pretty nice. Sick. Okay, so guys, at the back of the car, almost every brake line that's like metal, it's rotted away. They are even worse condition than this one. This is the one I took off so I can try it. And yeah, I started doing some new ones. Used the fittings, got some brake line, new one, this tool, and yeah, it turned out, I would say, okay. And yeah, I just have to redo the back brake lines, like all of them. So good luck for me. But yeah, this is one of the rear ones. It doesn't look that bad until here. Here it's like broken too, as I took it off, but yeah, it was rusted away there. Mostly at the end it's really rusty. As you can see, so yeah, good thing I be changing these out, and then the car will be nice. Okay, so I'm still working on the brakes at the back. I didn't get a fitting and I only can get it tomorrow. But until then, let's try to figure out the idle issue. Why is it sitting at 1500 RPM when hot? I will check timing, see if I need to adjust from the distributor, and yeah, maybe adjust the TPS sensor if it's misadjusted. But yeah, let's see what's the issue here. Just started it up. At cold, the idle is good. Okay, now it's for some reason idling good. Don't I can't understand this car. Now the idle is dropping down as it should. So got the idle set with the idle screw down there. Now it's idling at like 800, which is perfect. You have to remove the idle valve, then adjust it to like 600 RPM, then you plug it back in and it brings up to like 800, how it should be. I don't see any timing marks, so I won't mess with the timing, I guess. I can tell where it would be at like 10 degrees or something, so I will just leave it for now. But yeah, it's running okay now. Revs up fine, doesn't bug. And comebacks too, idle pretty good, so it does smoke quite a bit. I don't know if it's like condensation or something, and it really smells. Maybe that old cat just needs to burn off or something, but yeah, it doesn't smell good, but it does run good, so I don't know. Okay, let's see if it turns off, if it starts back up right, and if it's idles good too. Yeah, just as it should. Let's see how it's firing back up. Nice. Okay, let's see, will it bring the idle back down? Hell yeah. Okay, so that's nice, looks good. Got the central lock and the locks finally fixed. As you can see, I can turn it. Every one of them locks. Okay, so I have a brake issue. The the front left and rear right are not bleeding, just air keep coming out. So I think it's supposed to be the master cylinder. It should be faulty and it doesn't look the best. It's all like rusty inside here. I think from the sitting water got in here, and yeah. But let's take it apart, see if everything's going on there. Well, if anything, it's rusty, that's for sure. And pretty dirty.
Here, as you can see, it was pretty badly pitted. It has like tiny holes in it, so that's where the air was leaking through. So we have to change this one.
Got a new master cylinder. It's not the same model because I can't find the original one no matter where I search. So it's from a different card, but this part should be almost the same. It should bolt right up, and the difference is that it only has 2 outputs instead of 4. So I have to split both of them and connect them like that. So yeah, it should be good like that too. The inside bore diameter is the same, so it should make the same amount of pressure. So yeah, hopefully it will work because I don't really have other options. I had to adjust this one. I just turned it a little bit more inside because it was pushing on it when I tightened it up. So yeah, but now it's perfect. This is the part number if anyone is interested in the same stuff. Got the brake adapters. This is how it looks. Hopefully it won't be like a bottleneck because like it's small and it goes into 2 parts, but I don't really have other options, so it is what it is. Took the Nissan out for a drive. I got the brakes done and yeah, I'm going to wash it. The car idles perfectly, runs perfectly. As you can see, I put the clutch in, it drops the idle down to like 700-800 RPM, stays there perfectly, so that's awesome. It does have an exhaust leak, but other than that, it's a pretty nice, comfortable car, so yeah, pretty good. Just got back, everything's alright, car runs perfectly, and yeah, brakes work, not the best, but they do work. I have to see what I can do there, but for now I think it's good.
I noticed that the car was leaking coolant. It had a few holes in the radiator, so I will have to get a new one. So I got a new one here. It's not from the same car, but I will make it work somehow. Can't find the original one, so yeah.
Finally got finished everything on the brake side. Got some new discs and some pads for the front. This one had a sticking caliper on this side. I rebuilt it with a kit, so now that's good too. And yeah, I have finally brakes. Here's how I mounted up the radiator currently with some zip ties. Down there it sits on the frame, but yeah, it's not going anywhere for now, and I will make some mounts for it later. Got the fan on also mounted up with 2 screws here, and down there I connected to this leg also with zip ties, but it will hold. So yeah, I just have to get a inline thermo switch. These wires go to there because this radiator didn't have holes for it. Also it's plastic, so yeah, I have to get an inline one so the radiator works, but yeah, it's ordered, so it should arrive. Also I have to get a new line because yeah, it's sitting pretty stupid here. It's on the cover, and yeah, I have to get some universal one and round it nicely. But yeah, that's for later. Now the car runs, drives good, sounds good, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye.